from our Meralco Power Spikers. Let's start off with jersey number 1, guest player, Tanyama Misao. At number 2, Abigail Maraño. Wearing jersey number 4, Stephanie Mercado. At number 10, team captain, Maureen Penetrante Owaño. Wearing jersey number 13, Maika Morada. And at number 16, guest player, Juanida Cotruang. Libero number 12, Jenilyn Reyes. Head coach, Mr. Brian Esquivel. Calling on our PLDT Home Tailpad Turbo Boosters. At number 1, Ruby De Leon. Wearing jersey number 2, Rizabel De Vanadera. Wearing jersey number 3, team captain, Suzanne Roses. At number 5, Gretchel Soltones. Wearing jersey number 11, Lawrence Ann Latigay. And at number 14, Maria Rosario Soriano. Libero, number 6, Lizlie Ann Gata Pantone. Head coach, Mr. Roger Gorayev. This is game 2 of the finals for the bronze. The best of luck to both teams.
That disappointed. They couldn't get into the finals. They had the, I think more than anything else, they had the chemistry problems going in. Meralco, a new team, different parts. Hindi na ito yung lumang Meralco eh. Iba na ang team ito eh.
At ang maganda lang dito, as you can see, yung mga stars natin, sama-sama, di ba?
Oh, parang all-star game ito nga
Yes, and kahit naman yung mga Thai imports natin, si Cotruang, we've seen them. Alam natin kung kano sila kagagaling. Di ba? And ang saya lang panoodin.
Ayan. And ito, nakangiti pa yung mga, nagchichismisan pa. May nagsabi nga sa akin na, Sir Seb, napapansin niyo yung nagchichismisan. Oo, ito, sa umpisa pa lang, ito, yung Thai import, umpisa pa lang.
Si Cotruang, at saka si Ruby, at si Soriano.
Parang kumusta? Anong latest? As usual, kasi babae, ang sagot, actually, we're good. Sasabihin mo na naman sa akin, pinipilit kong...
Alam na alam mo.
Akala ko sasabihin mo sa akin, pinipilit kong intindihin. Hindi ko
Wag
na. Wag na. Ruby De Leon is underway with her serve. They're ahead 1-0. Ruby keeps it afloat, but even Sue Roses can't get to it. It's way out of reach.
Yung nangyari doon, si Ruby actually reaction na lang yun eh.
Reflex action na lang.
Reflex action na lang.
I wonder if Sue Roses is ever unpoised. Nice. Morada knocking that down.
So Morada taking that early Christmas present from PLDT.
And knocking it straight down the line. 2-1 ahead po ang kupunan ng Meralco.
Nice first ball.
Roses gets it through Maraño.
Roses, pihira natin makita yan. Open hit.
Yes, indeed. At saka... I love watching Abby Maraño play. It's all out, all energy. It's like a nice Shakey's pizza. For fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Yeah, dyan tayo kumukuha ng energy.
Nice attack. Kept in the air by Morada. Recycled offense. Morada, makakala ko mahuhulog paglipad. Latigay.
Good coverage from both squads.
And Ruby De Leon, alanganin, and Ruby knew it.
Well, it was really close to the net, but Ruby tried to set it to the open.
It became even closer to the net.
Yes, and to the antenna. So, nawawala na space.
Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's Ville. Here's the serve by Maraño. Soltones and the... well done. Sapul.
That's her house. Kanina yung open hit, nakascore si Subu. Pero bihira natin siya makakita dyan. But yun, running hit.
Nagulat nga si Steph Mercado. Ay, patay. Yung reaction ni Steph, patay. Tabla tayo sa tres. Latigay. This is one of the most unusual and fascinating names as he messes up her. Lawrence Ann.
Maluan.
Diba? Palagay ko, yung tatay niya si Lorenzo.
Yan.
Wala lang. Ito na, sumisigaw na si Maureen Owaño.
Nice short stab.
Yep, indeed. Soltones, cargado, tinaas si Pantone, and it is out of reach. Nobody home in the back row.
That's right. mataas-taas pa naman yung bola sana, but nobody there for the second ball. Coach Ruang once again.
Alam mo si Lizzie Angata Pantone, isa sa pinaka-poised na libero sa Pilipinas talaga.
Yung kahit ano gawin mo sa kanya, ladylike tignan.
Ako tatlo yan ladylike na yan. Denden Lazaro, si Lizzie Pantone, si Melissa Gohing, yan tatlong yan. Yung iba naman, gaya ni Jen Reyes, yung iba, nagkakahiwalay-hiwalay ang katawan.
Mukhang parang more child, parang...
happy childhood yung mga yun.
Oo, mga bagets.
Ang galing mag-somersault eh.
Gymnast.
Tsaka may mga hair clips sa ulo eh. Nice pick up by Morada. Ruby checked the scenery. Back row problem.
And she had the right decision there to give it to Devana Dera on a quick hit.
Those of you who play setter, watch how Ruby De Leon
tinitignan niya, sino ba ang setters ko? Ay, sino ba ang spikers ko?
titingnan niya yung setters, titingnan niya yung... It's quick eyes, peripheral vision, all combined. Tabla sa 5, Roses serves. Aba, si Cotruang, akala ko matatanggal yung kanyang mga braso. Pinick up ni Roses. Hello, my name is...
Ruby on the dump.
And Ruby says, I can do this. Watch me do this. All afternoon with the Mikasa official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Here's Sue Roses continuing her service stint. Ahead 6-5. Masao, ang ganda. Galing na setter nito.
Great connection. Penetrante Uwano on that quick hit.
Watch this.
Ang ganda pa nung nilakbay. Diba kung saan pupunta? Si Maureen.
Gustong-gusto niya yan, ano? Sarap tong feeling naman makakonect kasi Morada will be serving. Sumigaw si Luan kasi sagwa ng kanyang pickup.
Another chance for PLDT.
Cargado, Soltones. Makasigaw si Uwano, no?
And I like that Morada is really aggressive at this first set.
Yes.
Step
Mercado knocking it down and giving the 1-point lead to Meralco.
And ang ganda nung snap ng wrist ni Mercado.
Which has always been her forte.
Look at this.
First time we actually began to cover volleyball, she was just coming off the bench sa LaSalle.
Ang dami na natin din.
Marami na natin. They are now starters. Diba, they start coming from the different parts of the planet or the Philippines for that matter.
Sometimes nga nakikita natin yung nag-aabot pa lang ng bola, diba? They're helping out during warm-ups and
then they become
eventually the stars in their teams.
Ang susunod niyan si Laure on UST. Yan ang susunod.
Just imagine.
Isao.
Running hit.
Ruby Soltones whips it good.
Too much to handle.
And
for
makes it
Morada.
8-7. Ruby
Esquivel says that they will never give up. Although hindi daw sila masyadong nakapag-prepare for this game because the other players had prior games, he says that this conference has greatly improved their experience in playing together as a team. Coach Brian knows how they play individually, and this time they should know how to improve together as a team. 7 Mosi.
Thank you very much, Ira. And alam mo, gusto ko yung patience ng Meralco. They haven't won any game, but they're still in the thick of each battle. Nicely done. Step Mercado is on a hot streak.
And sa nilalaro nila ngayon, di ako magtataka kung dito pa rin.
Makanakaw ng isa today.
Makanakaw. At you can, minsan it's really hard to go up against a team na wala nothing to lose. Diba?
Yan ang pinakamahirap.
Playing.
Saka yung trying to close out.
Right.
Naku, yung pressure gaya nangyari sa FEU kanina. In the meantime, Charo Soriano does what she does best. Close to the net. I love the story of Charo Soriano. She had already said when she graduated from the Ateneo, my volleyball career is over. I'll help coach. I'll just do corporate work. I know she has a small business of her own. But here she still is.
That's right. Hindi makaalis sa buhay volleyball. Coach Ruang.
In the meantime, I have another Charo Soriano story in just a short while. In the meantime, here is the set. It becomes one for Soltones.
Oh, and Soltones sends it long.
Pagagalitan ng mga ate to.
Uh-huh.
Hindi naman. Alam mo si Charo Soriano, the other stories, when we met in a coffee shop, means, like, oh, my God, you look so corporate today. Sir Seb, ikaw naman, sanay ka lang kasi nakabalibol ako. And she was in a meeting with somebody else and she just looked so professional.
Oh,
Latigay.
minsan you have to look twice eh. Sila ba talaga yon pag hindi naka-volleyball outfit?
Oh, look at that. It's Cotruang nailing it in the deep corner. Pag ito, nasa grubang laro nito.
Ang lakas pumalo. And she likes those yung mga corners. Yan ang gustong-gusto niyang target.
Parang nga siyang nene na nautusan lang pupuntang palengke. Pero pag pumalo, connect eh. Latigay! Yes!
Latigay this time. Good spot.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan po natin ang dengue. Lion Tiger katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made. Kung may sakit si Kuya Roger, gaano ka vociferous kaya siya today? Tingnan natin. 10 apiece. Tapik. Ruby De Leon sa kabilang panig. Tusok yan.
Going down the line, Ruby gets the point. That was Zane Roses gets the point. Ang ganda ng down the line hit ni Sue.
Pagka runner down the line, hindi lang niya master masyado yung back row, hindi not as a solid, but when they need to get her to score there, yes, that's short. That's an awkward. That should have been just more a free ball.
She was so far away
masyado
from the
na malayo.
net. Nandun yung adjustment. We saw her adjusting to that hit, pero ang layo na masyado.
Too much real estate underneath. In the meantime, dig up by Reyes. Off speed. Wow, confusion. Misigaw si Lizan na palo.
Yun yung minsan mahirap. If ang mata mo nakatingin sa kapwa mo player, hindi sa bola.
Yes. Masyadong conscious ka. Ikaw, ako, magkakabanggaan. Well, they recovered quickly. They're still ahead, 13-11. Sario Soriano, Charo will be serving. And an ace of the serve. Sabi sa inyo, either tara yan o fight. Di ba? Yan yung tira ni Charo Soriano. Bang! Down the middle.
Ang tawag nila, hindi magastos, hindi ma-error.
Good point.
Yun siya, yun nandyan lang siya. She may not be as explosive as, let's say, some of her teammates, pero steady lang.
Yes. She'll get her
You
points.
you also want her in the court.
Reliable eh.
Yep.
Dumidepensa pa. And although there was a time in the collegiate, she was for touch.
Yes, yun ang sinasabi ni Coach Huang na i-over na kasi tumama na twice nung pagbalik ng bola.
But going back to Charo, there was a time when she's going to serve at 15-11. She was the leading scorer in the UAAP.
Correct.
When Ateneo was
and
beginning
best scorer
to
at one time.
And when Ateneo was beginning to move forward, the early years of sila Gretchen Ho.
That's right.
Meron nila Phil Kainglet. Medyo patapos na rin si Charo noon eh. Boy, the nice slice of intercultural communication. May Tagalog, may English, may Hapones ha.
Diba?
At saka nung matagal ding assistant ni Nes Pamilar yan eh. Cool dude din yan.
Yep.
Yes. Cargado. Uy, tusok yan.
This is what we were talking about.
Huwag niyong gagalitin to si Morada.
Maika Morada on that open hit.
Eto, marunong yung misaw. Basang-basa niya. Alam niya yung gusto ni Maika. 12-16 score natin. Ang magsiserve nasa ang kanto si Abby Maranyo. Ando sa dulo. Nice dink. Morada off speed. Ruby Devanadera alanganin. Pinaluan.
There you go. Morada once again.
Hot streak shooter yan eh.
And umpisa pa lang you could feel na yung nandun siya na in the zone. Diba?
Kadalasan yung napag-uusapan player may di ba? Pagka sa television yun, una na pag-usapan yun. And Abby, oh boy. My fault. Naging kapitana ng Lasal yan. Alam niya
Oh,
yun.
yes.
Alam niyang maging leader.
And yun yung sana sasabihin ko, hindi lahat pwede maging leader. Diba?
Pero ito,
But,
natural. You know, some people misunderstand her actually.
Kanya-kanyang
Mayabang ang down. Ako hindi.
leadership.
Gusto ko siyang panoorin.
Well, Meralco
Uy.
now with 9 attack points. PLDT having 11.
Shakey's V-League is powered by Motolite Battery pang matagalan. No rin hindi ikaw ang pinag-uusapan dyan.
Kawawa talaga. And that's a long one
18-14.
for Meralco.
Lahat sa atin, alam mo naman si Norin, siya yung medyo poised talaga na hindi sasabog. Pagka napikot sa atin, yeah, right. In the meantime, unreachable, Misao. Suzanne Roses is all set to serve. Good start by the starting lineup of PLDT. It goes to Soltones. And it stays down. 2014 as PLDT can't do anything wrong here in the first set. Don't forget that if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Baliktad naman ang Meralco, ang bright spot, yung mga puntos ni Morada so far. At ayan, katulad niyan, yung quick hit ni Owano, nakagagawa niya rin yan kanina. So, these are the things that they can really build up on. Mga palo ni Mercado.
Pero notice ko sa timeouts, Brian was worried about the reception really. Couldn't get the ball in play nicely. But look at this. Power at full display.
Natatawa tuloy si Ruby sa kanya dahil napakalakas ng braso.
Hindi ba usapan? Hindi naman kailangan ganun kalakas. Diba? Pero pinaluan talaga. In the meantime, so Benting, ito yung mga X-Factors, De Venadera moving out. And let's go with the serve of Benting. Misao. This is rejected. Recycled.
Ang ganda ng blocking ng PLDT.
And that's where you need Charo Soriano as your second blocker. Roses. Long rally, the longest. Mercado. Inside.
And that goes in. Right smack in the middle of Angela Benting and Luan Latigay. Let's look at it once again. Gitang-gitna. Kinino yun?
Sabi ni Benting, not mine, over my shoulder. Owano. Misao. Mercado.
Oh, Mercado.
2 in a row.
Going down the line.
And PLDT beginning to referee the game. Ladies, alam mo naman, ganang umirap ng mga ladies when they don't get something from the reps naman. Pag sila umirap.
No words, di ba? But you get the message.
Makuha ka sa look.
Oh, yan. Talent ng babae yan. Walang words.
Ayan, Soltones says, rep. Tayo mo kung bigyan tawag, sige.
Ito na lang.
Ito na lang. Latigay in. Pantone darts out. Here's Soltones. The power source. Misao. Maranyo. Ruby. Power!
Oh, but that goes long. Alam mo yung nakikita ko yung tiwala ni Ruby De Leon kay Gretchen sa Tones. Napakalaki.
Minsan iniintindi siguro ni Soltones sa gabi, bakit kaya sobrang lakas ko, no? Sorry, ano?
Depende kung may isip niya. Siguro tingnan muna natin ano bang kinakain ito sa...
Umaga nga. Latigay is roofed. Here's that roof on Latigay. Bang! Right into the waiting hands of Misao. Meralco always brings along a troop of people from the office to cheer on the team. Huh?
Alam mo, nakakatuwa. I really love that they have their banners and alam mong mga galing office.
At saka Meralco has had a sporting tradition
Right, totoo naman.
through the years.
Lalo na ngayon.
Lalo na ngayon, they refurbished their gym actually. Oh, Misao and Maraño playing patty cake with the volleyball in the middle. That ends up nowhere.
Minsan nakikita ko pa nga si Boss Al Panlilio around watching. Sa pagka-busy, will come here to support.
Quite a basketball player himself. In the meantime, the serve of Ruby De Leon. Misao jumps to it. And Cortowang partially rejected. Here's Latigay, adjusts. Tracked down by Mercado in the back row. And wisely, si Cortowang hindi nga pipilit niya. Runner!
Good job there by Parada.
Hala, sige. Puro isang kamay ginagamit. Roses.
Long rally here.
Longest nito. Papaluan ni Latigay dahil inabot lang. Bukas ang tapos nito.
Alam mo, Seb, kasi
Alam mo,
nung 2 years old,
actually,
nung 2 years old ako.
Ganun na.
They thought it was going, the referee will call a violation. Tumigil. Tumigil, akala double violation. Nakatingin na sila lahat sa referee. Until you hear the whistle.
Oh, you do not stop. It's set point, ladies.
Sayang na sayang yun for Meralco.
Now, consultation by PLDT. They want to be sure who's serving. You can do that.
Right,
You
because
can
it's
do
set
that.
point already.
You don't want to give away a point. It's a good... Roger naman on the other hand. Dapat alam niya yun. Alay mo, the coaches remember that. Ano? Charo missing completely.
Miss hit.
Yung mga coaches, they know where the rotation is going.
No, kasi ano yan meron kang ka-diagonal mo. Diba? Tapos alam mo yung katabi mo. Yun lang, alam mo na kagad
Tsaka alam mo
Tsaka
lang.
ano ka, open hitter ka ba? Quicker ka ba?
Sue Roses, it's still alive. Ruby says, let's try this. Let's go back to Sue. Why not? Why not? And PLDT hanging on 25-20